Damilola Adeparusi from Ekiti State is attempting to set a new world record for the longest hours cooking straight. She is planning to cook for 120 hours, which is quite a lot when we put the current world record in perspective. Join me as I visit the site of the 120-hour Cook-a-thon in Ekiti, and I sample the opinion of those at the venue. The mood at the venue is frenzied, as many have already trooped out to celebrate the young lady. So we are live in Ekiti and I'm with
Jibola
and
Elijah.
Okay, so we are at the Cookathon event, and I just want to get your views and opinion on what's going on here. So, sir, what do you think about this event?
It's actually a very great event and a very beautiful lad day. I believe this kind of thing has actually brought the institution that is Federal University of Ekiti to the limelight of the society, and the cook as well, the girl who is actually doing this challenge, has inspired some little people as well in this community. So I believe people are benefiting from this record thing. It started from Idabashi, as we all know that she started this kind of challenge thing here in Nigeria, I think, and some people are drawing their motivation from it. So what I can actually say about this new development here in Ekiti is that people are starting to draw challenge by challenging themselves, doing more, and just seeing themselves do great things. And it's just a way of inspiring students to do more and to see beyond their limits. So that's all I have to say concerning this Cook-a-thon thing. Yeah.
Okay, so sir, what do you have to say to the general public?
Well, the thing is, there is this basic belief that I know of. Creativity has levels. I think our creativity is in a different level that any other person might just not have thought of as soon as that, because it is basically in two folds. Some persons are thinking that she's breaking Ida Bass's record, while some feel that she's not doing it on her own. But regardless of any which way, it is creativity at a different level, and there is a means of motivation to me personally. So it makes me feel like even when I feel like someone is at the top already, then basically I can see beat that up. So that's like the only thing that I learned from all of this Dammy, Idabasi and all of that. So it's really an impressive one. A very big kudos to her. I think that's all I have to say for now.
Yeah, so what up? Who am I with here?
Layo.
I see the frenzy mood out here. What's going on?
The third Dammy is cooking. She's going for 120 hours Cookathon.
Okay, so what do you think about that?
It's nice.
So you're here to like support her?
And to eat.
That's interesting. So what do you have to say to people out here and their views about what's going on here?
She's actually trying her best. She's trying her best. So people around there should come out and support her.
Yeah, so who am I speaking with?
It's Vanessa.
Okay, Ms. Vanessa, I want to ask you a few questions. We are at the Chef Dammy's Cookathon.
Okay.
What do you think about what's going on here?
Well, I think it's a very, very nice gathering, but it's not really, I won't really support her going for it, because we just had one of recent and the time has not yet ended for her before she could embark on another one. So I would say, although I will give her kudos for attempting it, but I don't really support it.
Okay, you have doubts.
I have doubts about timing.
So now,
yeah.
What do you think? Because now the question people are asking is she actually doing it for the Guinness World Record? Because some people are suggesting that perhaps she.
No, I don't think it's for the Guinness record. No, it can't be because of that Guinness record, because we already have a winner already. Okay. Maybe this one, maybe something, maybe just for supporting, maybe Ekiti something, or maybe just to have just like a winner for Ekiti or something. That's like just feel.
So what do you have to say to people out there?
Please support her and keep supporting her. I don't know.
Nice. Yeah. What up? What's his name, please?
My name is MC Avatar.
Okay, so where we at, bro?
We are live at Chef Dammy 120 Cookathon, 120 hours. We are trying. Big shout out to everybody that has been in support. It's not easy. There has been a lot of bans online. There have been a lot of conspiracy, but we are here to support our own.
What do you
because
have
it's our own.
Bans online?
Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, when I got the information first, I was like, damn. But come on, there's nothing stopping anybody from trying anything. Yes, there's no limit to success. And all of those bans, let them keep coming. That is what will keep trending. Yes, I'm sure all of those bans will keep trending now. And if you are trending, hopefully we hit 5 days. We are projecting. I'm happy to be part of this team, and it's really a pleasure to be here, to be alive. Yeah. I'm in the moment.